I read an article titled Planned Parenthood, Kasich is Terrible for Women's Health. It was published by Iron Carmen on February 10th, 2016 on the MSNBC website. I'd like to explain to you why I think this article is significant. According to the article, the governor of Ohio, John Kasich, and Planned Parenthood are at odds. The governor signed 16 anti-abortion measures and also signed budget cuts that dramatically affected Planned Parenthood. The vice president of Planned Parenthood Action Fund stated in this article, "The secret is out. Kasich is terrible for women's health. Here's why you should care. First, many women's health is in jeopardy if nonprofit organizations like Planned Parenthood are tarnished because of political leaders like John Kasich. The governor believed accusations about this organization stating that they illegally sold fetal tissues. Even after Planned Parenthood was acquitted of all charges, he still continued to work against them. Planned Parenthood offers free and low-cost services such as reproductive health care, family planning, counseling, all offered to women. If we don't speak up for these organizations, we may lose these important benefits. Second, we need to pay attention to the political leaders that we vote into office. Leaders like John Kasich make changes every day that affect us. The article references a statement from Kasich regarding abortion, where he stated, "We certainly want to care. I actually believe in the exception of rape, incest, and life of a mother. But at the end of the day, I'm going to do what I think is pro-life." And yet in his recent presidency campaigns, he contradicts this statement. Can we trust leaders that aren't even consistent in their opinions? My point is this. Although the article is clearly about a rivalry between Planned Parenthood and Kasich, we must pay attention to the bigger picture. Whether you agree with John or you agree with Planned Parenthood, I urge you to make your voice heard to help America live in truth and not be afraid to question what doesn't seem right. You have the power to make a difference. Thank you.